Hey, what's up? It's JT from johntattersall.com and welcome to my Swift review. Now here I am in the members area and I'm going to walk you through this in a lot more detail later on in this review video. Now Swift is a push button app that allows you to tap into potentially 110 million buyers with a couple of clicks to any link of your choosing. It's an entirely new piece of software from Venkata Ramana and it launches at 11 o'clock EST on the 10th of May. This is a simple to use push button app to drive buyer traffic. All you need is something to sell, and when I say buyer traffic, I mean people that are prepared to spend cash on products that will help them achieve their goals. Venkata describes it as blue ocean versus red ocean. Red ocean is an ocean full of competition, overcrowded and full of people looking for something for free. A blue ocean has very little competition. It's untapped and once targeted, it's full of people already interested in what you're offering. It is this blue ocean that this app and targeting is aimed at. Now in this review video I'm going to take you through the Swift app and process, and I'm going to share with you my honest view as to whether this is something that will sort out one of the biggest challenges we all face, which is getting quality potential buyers onto your list and then promoting offers to them. This app can be used in any niche and you can send traffic to any link and offer. So whether you're interested in promoting high ticket items at the top end of the market, or whether you're promoting PLR products or software from Warrior Plus, this app and method will help you reach your targeted audience. I will also give you my view on the app's pros and cons and take you through the upsells within the sales funnel. Now listen up, I've also got 4 value added bonuses of my own to give you, which are yours for free and to keep. Now these have been carefully put together to make the most out of Swift, to complement the app and to give you additional tools and information to help you make more money online, and also to quickly scale up your online business. These hand-picked bonuses are completely free and yours to keep if you click below on the link in the description in this YouTube video. When you click on the link below, it'll take you straight to my bonus page, which looks like this. Righto, I just want to take you through my bonus page. The first thing I want to point out is that if you want to take advantage of picking Swift up via my link and my unique bonuses, then you will need to do that before 11:59 PM on Thursday, May the 13th. Otherwise the bonuses will be taken down. Now Swift is a one-click app that auto drives free traffic to any link. There is a bit of a difference in numbers here. It's got 110 million source here in 39 seconds, whereas down here it talks about an 80 million user source, so there's a little bit of an anomaly there. But it is a app that siphons traffic from a completely untapped market source at the press of a button. Now I quickly want to take you through the front end and the upsells. So the front end is Swift at $17, where you access the powerful software and the training. But there is a limitation on this, because the next one, which is the upsell number 1, it talks about experience Swift without limits. And it's not absolutely clear in the material, the sales material, exactly how much you're able to use the front end before you then run out of credits or times you can use it. But what is clear with Swift Unlimited at $39, it then lifts whatever restrictions are on there and you can get unlimited campaigns. Upsell number 2 is limitless traffic at $197. This is where the team can do done for you traffic and sales for you. Upsell number 3 at $197 is where they will fine tune your Swift account so you've got optimal settings and it works like a well-oiled machine. Upsell number 4 is sleep technology. So this is setting it up so that it makes money while you're asleep at night. True passive income in effect. And then upsell number 5 is monetization. Now you can actually monetize this to be able to then use it to make money for yourself and turn it into $1,000 commissions. I'm assuming that's daily with no or little effort. And then the final upsell at number 6 is reseller rights, $197. So you get the opportunity to keep the commission on the entire funnel and sell it as if it were your own. Now there are some benefits. Fastest traffic you'll ever get. You'll get a breakthrough. You'll be able to develop an online lifestyle, potentially fire your boss. It's perfect for new people. You get generate $1,000 paydays, and there is a 100-day money back guarantee. So you've got 100 days to make your mind up on whether you want this or not. And all you need to do is click on any of these orange buttons here and it will take you through to the sales page. Now I quickly want to go through my bonuses. So the first bonus and I've tried to put these that will complement this. The first one is a unique banner creation app to promote Swift, so you can make banners to be able to promote and make your particular PDF stand out. The second bonus is maximizing Swift with underground traffic marketing secrets, so being able to use additional email traffic driving secrets in order to be able to maximize Swift. The third bonus is social media domination. Swift doesn't actually mention anything about social media, but you will be able to use this with all of the main social media platforms, and this is a full-blown training course to enable you to do that. And then also, for anyone to be successful online, you do need at some point to have your own WordPress site. So this is again a full-blown course by one of the most experienced and well-recognized SEO people online at the moment, and it's his full-blown course that will help you get your website up and running, but not only up and running but fully optimized, so they'll load quickly and you stand more chance of getting on page 1 of Google. And then obviously you've got the vendors bonuses, and I will go through those when I go through the sales page. So if you purchase this, you will purchase this via Warrior Plus. If you're already a member, then no problem. It's fairly easy to sign up. If you're not a member, just follow the instructions, and then you'll get a screen that looks something like this once you purchase it. The green button here allows you to access your purchase of Swift, and the blue button here will allow you to purchase the bonuses that I've just gone through. So that's it for the bonus page. So if you want to pick up any of these bonuses, which I've said are already said they're unique to me, then remember, pick it up before 11:59 p.m. EST on May the 13th. I'll now take you to the sales page. So here we are on the sales page. I just quickly want to go through this. If you click on my link, then you will be able to spend as much time on here as you want to in order to make an informed decision. So I've already covered that in the bonus page. You've got some bullet points down here on the right hand side just giving you some of the benefits. There is an introductory video here which I'm not going to go through. Just to remind you, it's $17 if you want to pick up the front end, and all you need to do to pick it up is click on one of these orange buttons here. Just remember the caveat on that. There is a usage restriction on that front end, which I'm not clear how much that is, but you will need to pick up OTO 1 if you want to get unlimited use of this particular app. So quickly moving down the sales page here, there's some proof of income there. I'm not going to go through that. There's a few testimonials. You've then got an infographic here which tells you it's literally a 3-step process. You buy it, you copy and paste, and then you reap the profits. I think there's a bit missing there, which is step 3. Move that over to 4, which is about tailoring the information that you're producing to meet the market audience that you're targeting. But essentially they're saying it's a 3-step process. So bonus number 1 is list building bonanza. So they're saying you don't need to build a list with Swift, but they encourage you to do so. That's why they're throwing in list building bonanza as a bonus. And I've already put 2 list building mechanisms in my bonuses to you. You've got 10-time conversion booster. So this is where you can leverage the power of scarcity and social proof to get people to click. And then bonus number 3 is free training sessions where you can cover the tips and tricks to get the most out of your purchase. So that's the sales page. It's like I say, it's a typical sales page. It's quite a long one. There's 100% 100-day better than money back guarantee, which is quite unusual, 100 days for you to get the money back. Normally it's only 30. So you can spend as much time as you want perusing through this. I'm not going to spend any more time on this. I'll move over to the members area and give you a better feel for what that involves. So here we are in the members area. It's a fairly straightforward layout here in terms of this app. You've got a welcome video here which explains in an animated way what SlideShare is and also what the benefits of creating PDFs are. You've then got the 2 main buttons here, which is if you want to create PDFs and you want to create a campaign, you click on this button. If you want to create a SlideShare or a PowerPoint presentation, and you click on this button here. So if you click on this one now, just as an example, you then have 2 options here on this page. You can either create a campaign from scratch. So this is where you can literally start it from scratch with your own material, or you could create a campaign from a blog, either your own blog or any blog in any niche that you want to promote. And all you need to do is get the URL from that blog, insert the URL here in this window here, and then click campaign from blog if that's the choice you make, and then what it will do is will then populate your blog into a PDF document, and then you can go into the PDF document. You can then annotate it, you can rework it, you can potentially spin it, and you can insert images, etc., etc., to create a new blog of your own. Similarly with slider campaigns, in order to create a slider campaign, you have a number of templates down here on the left hand side, and then all you do is you click on whichever one you want in terms of the layout of the slideshow, and then you do the editing of the slideshow campaign, and then you've then got choices to either edit it, export it as a PDF, or you can then upload it directly to SlideShare. And obviously SlideShare, there are a lot of people on SlideShare looking for information in various niches. If they click on your particular presentation, then you'll have embedded your links into the SlideShare presentation, and you stand a chance then that people might purchase from you. You then also got some tools here. So you've got lots of tools here. You've got spin articles. That's where you can spin an article. So if you're using somebody else's blog or using somebody else's PowerPoint, then you can potentially spin the information to make it unique to you. They've then got squeezing. I'm not quite sure what that bonus is. Funnel base, which is another free bonus, and then content research, which is coming soon. So I'm assuming that will give you a search facility to be able to search a particular niche that you want to produce an article on, and then it will give you some material to work with. So that's, in a nutshell, is the members area or the app interface. You've got support function, you've got your own profile there and a log out button, and then also here on the Academy, if you click on the Academy, you've then got a number of training videos that you can then potentially go through so you can learn the ins and outs of this app. So I'm now going to take you to my conclusion, and I'll wrap up this review of Swift. Righto, so this brings me to the end of my review of Swift. Now, I did say I would summarise the pros and cons. In terms of the pros, Swift is a unique and easy to use app that uses the creation and marketing of PDFs and SlideShare presentations to promote your offers. Effective and targeted, proven by your list building, is a no-brainer if you've got any chance of achieving success online. Even with just the front end at $17, you will be able to tap into a marketplace less crowded. Swift gives you the delivery mechanism to share your links through PDF format or SlideShare, or both. You can create these from scratch or import them from your blog or from other people's blogs, and either use them as they are or spin them to make them uniquely yours. Another benefit is that the app is easy to understand and use. The main downsides, however, are that you will need to create or modify content to promote your offers. So it's not really just a push button system. No one, in my opinion, achieves any form of success online without creating relevant and engaging content. Therefore, again, in my opinion, you will need to produce good content to get the fish in the blue ocean to bite. The second downside is that it's not clear within the front end exactly how many times you can use this app, as there are restrictions on it. To lift these, you will need to pick up OTO number 1. So there we have it. Go ahead and check out my bonuses, and feel free to return to my bonuses once you've checked out what other Swift reviewers are offering in terms of their bonuses. I hope that you found this review of Swift helpful, and that I've helped you make an informed decision on whether to invest in Swift or not. So if you decide to purchase it, then pick this up via my link below, and please do not to forget to like my video and hit the subscribe button if you want to see my future reviews. Hitting the bell will also notify you when I release the next one. All it leaves me to say is thank you for sticking with me to the end of this video, and I wish you every success with building your list and scaling from there. Stay safe, and I'll see you again on the next one. All the best for now. Bye.